This is what buying and renovating a house looks like on TV.
Welcome to your home.
This feels easy.
100% better than I imagined.
But in reality, it's more like...
The deal fell apart.
What happened?
It's not sewage, right?
From the creators of This Old House comes a new series that pulls back the curtain on first-time home ownership. For our generation, buying a house can be scary.
It's always more expensive than we thought.
A lot of the media about house hunting is profiling the affluent.
I've never seen what I'm going through.
Is this safe?
From the moment you buy to the renovation decisions that follow.
I'm moving in no matter what.
We'll tell you what you actually need to know to buy your first house, like how to apply for a mortgage,
The biggest challenge for first-time home buyers is just affordability.
how to build a renovation budget.
Any information you consume about what something costs is from yesterday.
That's where we come in. We're Camille and Zack Dettmore.
We're contractors, parents, and at one time we were first-time home buyers.
Because for you to be successful, you need real information.
Maybe not an architectural digest piece, but a place where he can work comfortably.
So come learn with us
And then just pull the trigger. Just pull the trigger. Boom.
and enjoy the wild,
Something was living up there.
honest ride
Yes!
on This First House.